Hey guys, welcome. In this video we're going to learn about how to make money as a teenager in 2021 and beyond. Okay, so here I'm going to reveal to you 20 websites which you can just start to get paid as a teenager. You can start in right away and start and get paid. Okay guys, before I forget, make sure you hit the subscribe button, also leave a comment, like this video, and also put some notification out there for you to get in daily update when I upload a new video for how to make money online and other tips which you're going to make a banger in online business. Okay, so right away let's go to 20 websites which can help you to go from 0 either to 100 a day. It's up to you if you're going to start in right away. So website number 1 is called the Gamer Sensor. Okay, so at Gamer Sensor you're going to get paid to coach, okay, to coach people on how to get better at video games, like either in Fortnite, okay, either PlayerUnknown's, Battleground, in Overwatch, even other gamer out there which can either include Call of Duty. So the age which is required for you to start get paid as a teenager is 13 years old and above. Okay, another website which you can get paid is called the Redbubble. So here the age almost is the same age but somehow different by 3, is 16 plus years old. So here where you can start in either by sell merch like either t-shirt, coffee mugs, phone cases, pillows, and poster and other stuff. So it's a print on demand site, which means that all you need to make money is an original design that can be put on product. Here is a good place for a lot of YouTuber, either vlogger, coming in and finding a cool art. You can even sell an art where you can if you have you know how to design an art, you can even sell in Redbubble right away. So then when people buy the product online, Redbubble will print it and pack and ship it to a customer for you in exchange of a percent of the sale price. Okay, so if you are good in art, you can just put an art here and even people can come and search it and you can get paid for your artwork. Okay, another good place you can even get paid is Userlytic. Okay, so Userlytic is a site that pay you anywhere from either $5 up to $19 per test to give feedback on website and apps. Okay, you get paid either through PayPal, and they even have a global branding. If you're outside the USA, you can just join. The age requirement is 16 years old and above. That's one of the cool way for you to start in going in. Okay, another website, guys, which you can also get paid to listen to music and review is called the playlist push.com, where you're going to listen and giving a rate on music. Okay, so you're going to get paid for every time you listen to a music. The requirement here, guys, you need you need to have a playlist as a Spotify, about in 400 followers in Spotify, so that they are one of the qualifications for you to have that. You can also go and get paid in every time for you to become a curator in the playlist push. Okay, I'll try to put another video to explain to you how to even get in those followers quickly and even starting making $12 per song which you're going to review. Okay, another website which you can go to start as a teenager is transcriptme.com, which the age requirement is 13 plus with parent or legal guiding permission. So TranscriptMe, you get paid to do a transcription where you turn audio files like YouTube video, interview, and podcast into a text form. If you have a good word per minute typing speed as well as good grammar, you should be able to make some decent side money. So you're going to get paid via PayPal. Okay, another one is Ref. Okay, so the age requirement for you to start on Ref is 13 also, plus with parental or legal guiding permission. So at Ref we're going to get paid to do transcription, okay, caption and subtitle or transcription working. So here the range of pay for each type of working, either you can get paid 4 cents up to 65 cents per audio minutes. Okay, and also so here it's depending, as already say, it can either be transcription, caption, subtitle or translation work. Okay, also 40 cents up to 75 cents per video minutes, also $5 up to $80 per video minutes, all depending on which type of translation or transcription is needed. Okay, per word or for transcription or caption it's going to be $0.05 up to $0.07 per word. You're going to get paid via PayPal. Okay, another site which of course is one of the popular, which is Fiverr. The age requirement to join Fiverr is 13 plus years old. Fiverr can pay you to do all sort of freelance work. You can do either graphics, either you want to creating either a thumbnail for a certain YouTuber, so those are the type of graphic. You can do marketing as a social media management, writing, animation, audio programming and much more. So it's all depending on it. So that is a good place for you to start in if you have a good in working or have a good skills on graphics, marketing, writing, animation, audio programming and the other stuff. Another place is QMe. So QMe is pay you to do either searching and shopping online. They also pay user to take survey. So here you just install a browser so that even you can include the one app, I think. So when you do even a search, your normal search, you can getting paid just in cash. So the age requirement here is 16 plus years old. Okay, another site is Zoombucks. Okay, so in Zoombucks is a rewards site that pay you to watching video, take survey, complete offers and try out apps. So age requirement is 13 years old and more. Another place is iRizo. Okay, iRizo is another rewarding site also that pay you to download apps, watching video, take survey, completing offer which they give you and also play games. The age requirement is 13 also years old. Another site is Cash Grade, which you can start right away. You're going to get paid for you to try an offer, take survey, either shop online, play games, and even you can refer other people to join in Cash Grade. You're going to get paid through that. Age requirement here is anyone under 18 needs parent permission. Also good one is Swagbucks. Okay, Swagbucks can pay you via PayPal or gift cards to watching video, search the web, shop online, take survey, discover deals, and even you can refer your own friend in so in the app, then you're going to get paid. Okay, it also has an app available either for both Android and iPhone, which is pretty good. Another site which you can join as a teenager is SurveyJunk. Okay, with SurveyJunk, this is almost available in either USA. Okay, with SurveyJunk you can get paid to share your opinion as you take different survey. Age requirement is 16 years old. So go and join all of these sites which I mentioned. Guys, make sure that you do that, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video if you think I give you some of the cool place for you to go and starting making banks. Okay, so another good place is YouGov. Okay, here at YouGov you're going to make money just to taking survey about in either politics, pop culture and much more. Age requirement is 16 years plus. Another place which you can go is testspin.com, which pay you to take survey also and try even out a different type of product. Age requirement is 13 years old. Another place for you to take in even survey is Valued Opinion. Okay, pay you through gift card just for you to take in survey. Age requirement is 13 years with parent permission. Other place which is also very popular is Harris Polio Online, which also pay you in gift cards to taking survey. Okay, age requirement is 13 years old. Also another survey site is Survey Squad or Focus Forward. This is pay you to participate in focus groups as well as text surveys. Okay, age requirement, it can start at 13 years old. Okay, another one is epoll.com, which sends you survey via email that you can take it to earning points towards gift cards or PayPal money. Age requirement on this site is 13 years and above. Okay, another one is American Consumer Opinion. Okay, which American Consumer Opinion, despite its name, allow people all over the world to participate in surveys for money. Age requirement is 14 years and above. Okay, another good place is Panel Polls. Okay, pay you to take also surveys related to different family matter. Age requirement is 16 years plus. So guys, those are the top 20 website which you can start in making money as a teenager in online business. Whatever you do, either you are in a part-time or in school, you can start with this type of survey site for you to do in order for you to making a few bucks here on online business. So guys, thank you so much for dropping by. Also make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more upcoming video. So put the notification bell on, and thank you and peace. If you want my number 1 recommendation, link in the description below. Thank you.
Okay, bye.